teen series ng HBO na Pretty Little Liars, Summer School. Nakachika na newswire ang buong cast at creators ng PLL. Lahat ng bida, sikat na teen superstars ng Hollywood ngayon. Kabilang na ang Pinay nitong si Malia Piles as Mouse. Mami niya rito si Nea Salonga na gumaganap namang LGBT single mom na si Elodie Honrada. And the pressure is on para sa kanyang Filipino breakfast.
Yang Filipino.
It's like one of the most beautiful countries and people ever, and I do a good job, but it's really easy when, of course, alongside Lea Salonga.
At pinakilala na rin this season ang karakter ni Heroes Love Ella, Tony Award nominee, Loretta Caldez Friday, si Lola Honrada, and in Filipino fashion, marami raw baon sa set si Loretta.
Loretta is played by Lola.